This charger gives maximum fast charging on Samsung and every other device. Xiaomi users, if you have lost your factory charger, these are the chargers you should buy to replace your fast charging chargers. These two chargers from Shplus A919T and A927T, both of them rate input voltage of 100 to 240 volts with 5 volt outputs of 9 amps at maximum. Even though both of these two beast chargers are extremely fast, meet Poga 67 watts USB-A and USB-C super quick charger. This is speed 2 with input alternating current of 110 to 240 volts. But here is why it is the terminator. With output voltage of 5 volts, it is giving 3 amps. With 9 volts, it is giving 2.2 amps. With 12 volts, it is giving 1.67 amps. With 19 volts, it is giving 6.7 amps at max. Which should I go for between the Shplus A919T, A927T and Poga Speed 2? Xiaomi users should go for Shplus A919T or A927T. Both gives the same results. But Samsung users, don't play with Poga Speed 2. It is non-negotiable and you'll be surprised that under 25 to 30 minutes, your phone will release 100% full charge. Video editors and cinematographers, I think your charger has come. Poga Speed 2. Get the charger, test them out, and let me know your experience with them in the comment section of this video. I promise you, you will love Poga Speed 2. If you like the content you are getting or you are seeing on this channel and you are interested in learning how to implement AI workflows in all you do, like this video and subscribe to this channel because you are at the right place. Thumbs up.